अरे भाई नेट से देखता है।
नहीं, मैं वाईफाई से 2-3 महीने का डाउनलोड कर लिया।
ऐसा
जो दुनिया को सुनाई दे उसे कहते हैं खामोशी, और जो आंखों में दिखाई दे उसे तूफान कहते हैं। मुझे मत मिलाओ किसी और में, मुझसे कोई नहीं है इस दौर में।
तेरे हाथ विच हाथ होवे मेरा, पूरी करूंगा मैं तेरी सारी ख्वाहिशें, तेरा रखूंगा मैं रज के ख्याल। इतनी खूब तुम बिन ऐसे में जल बिन मछली, तुम बिन ऐसे में जल बिन मछली। जान मेरी शान हो यार तुम नकली, जान मेरी शान हो यार तुम नकली, साथ मेरे आए हो आसमान की नगान।
Daniel Mechu. Tal, iba
తర్వాత మనం కన్ఫర్మ్ పిచ్చి
Good morning. Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. Right.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Now, start.
Matrices and determinants.
Yesterday discuss about matrices and determinants. So first of all, discussed the definition of matrices. Right. So discussed the matrices, definition of matrix. Right. So some numbers and or some elements are arranged in a some rows and columns is called the matrix. Right. Each element is called the entry. Okay. And number of rows and into number of columns is called the order of the matrix. Number of rows into number of columns is called the order of the matrix. It is read as order rows by columns. Suppose 2 by 3. Write as 2 into 3, but read as 2 by 3. Okay, right. Next. So it is the general form of the matrix. So we have tried it is simply Aij m by n. The matrix having m rows and n columns, where element is Aij, where I equals to 1, 2, 3, so on m, and j equals to 1, 2, 3, so on n. Okay, so yesterday I discussed that. Okay, next, types of matrices. So types of matrices is what? First one, rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. What is mean by rectangular matrix? A matrix in which number of rows is not equal to number of columns is called a rectangular matrix. Right. Number of rows is not equal to number of columns is called a rectangular matrix. Right. Like 2 by 3 matrix or 3 by 2 matrix or 3 by 4 matrix, like that. So rows and columns are not equal here. Here 2, 3. Okay. Next 3, 2, 3, 4. Rows and columns are not equal. That is called the rectangular matrix. Next, square matrix. What is square matrix? You know that what is square? Length is equal. Okay, in the same, both rows and columns are equal. Okay, what is the definition? A matrix in which the number of rows is equal to the number of columns is called a square matrix. Okay, like 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, both are same. Okay, it is called the square matrix. Okay, examples are there in the notes. Okay, next, row matrix. Row means what? Single row. A matrix having only one row is called a row matrix. Okay, now only one row undali. Either 1 by 2 or 2, 1 by 3 or 2, 1 by 4 or rows only one. Okay, for example, 1, 2, 3. So in this only one row is there, 3 columns are there. So now it is the matrix of order 1 by 3. Okay, it is the row matrix. Okay, next, column matrix. Right, column matrix. A matrix having only one column is called a column matrix. Only one column. Number of any number of rows are there, but column is only one. Okay, that is, so 2 by 1 or 3 by 1 or 4 by 1, like this matrices. Columns only one undalante. Okay, right. For example, here given 1 minus 1 0, like 1 minus 1 0. So 3 rows are there and 1 column is there only. So it is called the column matrix. Next, null matrix or zero matrix అని కూడా అంటాం. Null matrix or zero matrix. So zero matrix అంటున్నాం. So all entries in the matrix are zeros. Okay, all elements in the matrix are zeros అయినట్లయితే that is called zero matrix or null matrix అంటాం. Okay, if every element of a matrix is zero, then it is called a null matrix. Okay, so generally the null matrix or zero matrix is denoted by O. Right. So suppose 2 by 2 or 2 by 3 or 3 by 3. What is the order? Okay. Now zero matrix or null matrix is denoted by O. Right. Next. See, notice there in square matrix, it is depend on only square matrix. Defined on only square matrix. In a square matrix, all those elements A, I, J, for which I equals to J. For which I equals to J. Tell me. What is your doubt, Nana? In a square matrix, all those elements. So generally, the general form of matrix is what? A, I, J kada. Okay. So the total matrix of A, J we can write is what? A11, A12, like this, A13, so on. Next, A21, A22, A23, so on, like this. We write. Okay, A, J is nothing but it is simpler form. It is expansion form. Okay, right. So A, I, J, for which I equals to J. For which I equals to J. I equals to J is nothing but what? If I equals to 1, then J is also equal to 1. So, okay, that means A11. Next R, A22, A33. Like these elements are ANN are called diagonal elements. Are called diagonal elements. And the line along which they lie is called the principal diagonal of the square matrix. Right. For example, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 matrix is there. Right. A11 means what? First row, first column element.
1
is 1. Next, second row, second column element. 5. Third row, third column. I equals J undali. Okay. These 1, 5, 9 are called the diagonal elements. 1, 5, 9 are the diagonal elements. Along the line which they lie is called the principal diagonal antam. Okay, or 1, 5, 9 are the principal diagonal elements. This is the one diagonal. This
3,
diagonal is
5,
called
7.
principal diagonal.
Sir,
Okay. And Nana?
3, 5, 7 also
1, 5,
diagonal.
9.
No, 1, 3,
లేదు,
A, I equal to J ఉండదు.
1, 5, 9. Only 1, 2. Okay, na? Left to right only. Left to right. 3, 5, 7 is not a diagonal. Why? Because 3 is a element of which one? First
1,
row,
3.
third column. A13. Right. Here 3, 5 అన్నప్పుడు ఇదేమవుతుంది? A22 అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ మనం రాసుకునేది ఏంటి? In a square matrix, all those elements A, I, J, where I equal J. Both equal ఉండాలి. I, J equal ఉన్నటువంటి elements మాత్రమే diagonal elements. I equals to
I2A, J2A. సార్ I2A, J2A కాబట్టి అది 5 అట్లా.
equals to 1, J equals to 1. It is A11 element. It is A22 element. It is A33 element. Okay na? first row, first column, second row, second column, third row, third
Third column.
element. These elements are called the diagonal elements, and this line is called the principal diagonal. Okay, are principal diagonal elements. These are the principal diagonal elements. Okay. No, 3, 5, 7 is the diagonal. Okay, now general గా మనకి స్క్వేర్ ఇలా తీసుకున్నట్లయితే స్క్వేర్ రెక్టాంగిల్ అన్నప్పుడు దీస్ ఆర్ ద డయాగనల్స్. ఓకే, బట్ ఇన్ ద మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ డయాగనల్. It is not a diagonal by the matrix. Okay, right.
Okay.
See, right. A equals to 1, 2, minus 1, 4, 3, 7, 0, minus 5, 8 are there. In example, where 1, 3, 8 are the principal diagonal elements. Or 1, 3, 8 are the diagonal elements. So, okay, what are the diagonal elements now?
1, 3, 8.
Simply we can say
1, 3, 8.
not generally. Generally we say
1 I equal to J ఉన్నాయి. 1 1 2 2 3 3.
they are A11, A22, A33. Inka number of elements are there. Suppose A44, A55, like that. Okay, first row, first column,
Yeah.
second row, second column, third row, third column, like that. Elements are called the diagonal elements. Okay, right.
Hey, hello,
Next,
Dusra.
by depend on diagonal, principal diagonal elements, we can say that we can define diagonal matrix. పూర్తిగా రాలేదా, మిస్ అయిందా? ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ వన్ డి. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ కట్ అయింది. డయాగ్నల్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. రైట్, డయాగ్నల్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ మీన్స్ వాట్? సి అప్ టు ఫ్రమ్ ద నౌ we can define only square matrix. సి ఎక్కడ నుండి? ఇక్కడ నుండి డయాగ్నల్, ప్రిన్సిపల్ డయాగ్నల్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ నుంచి మనం దేని మీద డిఫైన్ చేస్తా ఉంటాం? స్క్వేర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ పైన డిఫైన్ చేస్తా ఉంటాం. డయాగ్నల్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. ఓకే, డయాగ్నల్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్, a square matrix in which all the elements except those in the principal diagonal are zeros is called a diagonal matrix. What I say?
Yeah.
Diagonal matrix. What is
Diagonal
what is
elements
the diagonal?
are the
Except, only the diagonal elements are non-zero elements. The remaining elements are zeros.
Zeros.
Antena? A square matrix in which all the elements except those in the principal diagonal are zeros. Except annamakada is called a diagonal matrix. Okay? So in a diagonal matrix, the principal diagonal elements are non-zero elements. The remaining all elements are zero elements is called the diagonal elements. Okay, is called the diagonal matrix. See here, A11, A22, A33 are the only non-zero elements. The remaining are the zero elements. Now it is called the diagonal matrix. So simply it is A equals to diagonal of A11, A22, A33 అని కూడా రాయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కూడా రాయాలి. It is the general form. It is the example of diagonal matrix is what? 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 3. Only the diagonal elements are non-zero elements. The remaining elements are below the diagonal elements or above the diagonal elements are non-zero elements. Zero elements are. Diagonal elements are only non-zeros. Below the diagonal, above the diagonal are zeros. Is called the diagonal matrix. Okay, is it understand?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes sir.
నెక్స్ట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కావద్దు. డయాగ్నల్ కి స్కేలర్ కి చూడండి. డయాగ్నల్ స్కేలర్ సేమ్ ఉన్నట్టే అనిపిస్తుంది. ఏ స్మాల్ చేంజ్ ఇస్ దేర్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ స్కేలార్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ సేమ్ బట్ ఏ స్మాల్ చేంజ్. ఏ స్క్వేర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఇన్ విచ్ ద డయాగ్నల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ఈక్వల్ and all other elements are zeros is called a scalar matrix. What is the difference? Tell me, Nana.
ఇలా డిఫరెంట్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి
What is
కానీ
the
ఆ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్ని ఇళ్ళనేమో ఈక్వల్ ఉండాలి, అన్ని అందులోనేమో డిఫరెంట్ ఉన్నాను అర్థం.
Right. Diagonal matrix లో diagonal elements are different గా ఉండొచ్చు. But in scalar matrix all diagonal elements are
Same.
ఈక్వల్ సేమ్ ఉండాలి
ఈక్వల్
ఓకేనా
మస్ట్ బి ఈక్వల్
ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇస్ దేర్ 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2 like this. Diagonal elements are all same. Okay na 2 2 2 is a scalar matrix. It is also diagonal matrix. Ante means every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix, but every diagonal matrix need not be a scalar matrix. Antena?
yes
It is also diagonal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Scalar matrix is also diagonal matrix, but diagonal matrix is not a scalar matrix.
Scalar matrix.
Okay, right. So in a diagonal matrix, the diagonal elements are